Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Etsy seller account to track sales and payments, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type etsy.com in the address bar and press enter. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter the email address associated with your Etsy seller account in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Ensure both fields are correctly filled out. Click the Sign In button to proceed. Upon successful login, you will be directed to your Etsy dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the Shop Manager option on the left side menu. Click on Shop Manager to access your seller tools. To track your sales, find the Orders and Shipping section. Click on Orders to view recent sales. You can filter the orders by date, status, and other categories as needed. To track payments, navigate back to the dashboard. Select Finances from the left side menu. Click on Payment Account to view your earnings. Here you will see detailed information about your payment schedule and transactions. Review your sales and payment details to stay updated on your account activity. If you need to log out, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. You have successfully logged in and tracked your sales and payments on Etsy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.